Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Get it, boys.
Rock this place. Rock this
Yeah. Fresh vet. We overseas with this one, man. Get busy. Get busy. Everybody get busy. I need y'all to report to the dance floor right this minute.
Who is in the house? Who is in the house? Who is in the house? Am I in the house? Who is in the house? NayVee is in the house. Who is in the house? Everybody down. Maya, cheque, canto como loca. No puedo parar lo que me sale por la boca. New style, new flow. Everybody wants to know. Good morning, NayVee.
Good morning. Guess what? It is the 4th of July. Woo! Happy birthday, nation.
Yay! All right, we're gonna get started this morning on our vlog. But before, there's gonna be a little change this morning. What's the change, Dad?
Well, Mom is hurt. She's in bed. She's hurt her back. She can't get out. It's been a few days already, and we've got to get her back into being able to help. It's so hard with 16 kids. So I'm in charge today. Mom's gonna try to participate whenever she can, but I've got to figure out a way to keep all these kids engaged, have fun, recognize that this is a holiday, and that Dad can have fun too. He's a good dad. So
He is a good dad.
we'll see how good I am.
It's
so
gonna be awesome. I have faith in you.
all right. Well, I'm gonna go start off the day with breakfast.
Gotta go wake up the kids first.
Okay, I'm gonna get things kind of ready, and then I'll go wake them up, and then we will start the day and
Breakfast.
come follow us.
All right.
Is that all right?
Yeah, that was all right. Good job. But before we get started,
Make sure you subscribe down below.
hit the notification bell.
Give us a big thumbs up and follow us on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok.
All right, here we go.
Woo! Okay, I went and woke up all the kids. I told them I got a big surprise for them. They've all got their eyes covered. I'm gonna bring them in. I'm gonna take them downstairs. I'm gonna tell them we're gonna make breakfast together. All right, here we go. Okay, guys, hurry, let's go. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. No peeking, no peeking. Run, 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 run. Hey guys, you ready to open your eyes? Yes. All right, I'm gonna show you something I got for you tonight, and then I want you to tell me if you're excited. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Okay, guys, now I need your help to make breakfast. Come here, over here.
Music got the best in me. Ever since I was a child, now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do? So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I fear there is no other way. It's what I can do, what I can do. Then I want to be with you, but you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Get it, boys.
That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this
Alrighty, who do we have here?
Beckham.
Beckham and
ElleCee.
And what are these guys?
Paint for our face.
Yep,
For
we are
4th
going
of July.
to give them face paint for the 4th of July.
Living the moment till I die. And I'm gonna chase it. And I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it. No matter how hard we try. And I'm gonna chase it. And I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it. No matter how hard we try. Fire in the veins, I fight to gain. Breaking all the rules to keep me sane.
I've got a surprise, guys. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm feeling a little bit better, so I can't miss all the fun. I'm gonna have some dinner with you guys.
Ledger, you ready?
Sweet, no time to waste.